Hey, come here. Hey. Hey, I love you.
Thank you.
You know you're my best friend.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you getting into Daddy's tools again?
No.
Not yet? Where's your drill at? Oh, is that the drill? Is that Bubby drill?
Yeah.
Go get it. So, my son's birthday is coming up, and I thought it'd be a great idea to put him together a little toolkit for his birthday. So, got him a little toolbox, and we got him some tools inside of it. Now, we are going to first take off all of the stickers and stuff and opening up all the packages and everything. And then I think we will engrave his name in each one of the tools and in the toolbox. In this toolkit, we are giving them a small hammer, a small flathead and Phillips screwdriver, a 12-feet tape measure, and of course, a toolbox to put everything in. And then we start engraving his name and all the tools. As I sit here and clean up where I engraved his name, got me thinking, dude, it's crazy having a son. I'll tell you that right now. I was scared having a son. I thought I wanted all girls. Never knew why until I had a son, and it made me realize that a son is the father's responsibility to train how to be a man. Some days I don't even know if I'm good enough to train someone, you know what I mean, to be a man as well. So I was scared having a son. Like, the thought of having a daughter was probably more easy than the thought of having a son. But now that I have a son, it's, especially for me, it's done two things. One, it's made me think of how I can improve myself constantly, because I'm the example to this little guy. It's also made me understand that someone is literally following me and watching everything I do. I thoroughly enjoy having a son. It is wonderful having a son, but also at the same time, scary. There it is. All you gotta do now is wait for his birthday. So give it a couple days and get his reaction. Let's go.
What's in here?
Open it up.
You know how to open it? No. Okay, pull that. Pull the latch down. No, pull this down. Like that. I know.
They're Bubby tools. Do you like them?
Yeah, got him.
You got your own tools finally. I thought you'd be more impressed by this. Hey, mess with that. That's Bubby's.